Okay, bake here. Good spot, I like this. It's not quite ready, but what did ICP do today? ICP this sort of setup. Let me look at a 12-hour. Yeah, you can see here. Look at this. We started to get above it, and we got that pop higher on ICP. Is bake due for another pop? Honestly, I like it. I have to say, I'd be tempted to buy this. I'm going to bed. I don't want to take too much more risk. Going to bed here, but yeah, I like this. Is it ready for the move right now? It's tough to say. It could be. It could continue. This is a 1 day. If we hold here, I would like to see a wick down tomorrow and then the pop up. I'll definitely keep this on my watch list for tomorrow. Yeah, well spotted. And vet. Well, let's look at vet. No idea what I was even making a video about. I think I got distracted. And Tom, I was making you a video on this. This is potentially very strong. Just as an example here, very quickly, Apple, when you get this sort of bullish base forming and price fails to break down, and you get these moving averages rolling over price kind of solidifies itself and holds very strong in here before getting a break above the moving averages. And when you get the break above, the moving average, they're all supporting it. Every moving average then is supporting price, and it can push price hard and fast to the upside. In theory, look at the way it moved last time. It just goes after you break out of the base. It should like to run. This is another example. ADA here. You remember ADA? We get this drop, and the drop is probably similar-ish. 60%. Okay, it's a little bit of a steeper drop here at this point in time. 79, 80%. But we're still putting in this bullish base, and the base here where price, well, here it held above moving average. This was more bullish in my opinion. I really liked this base. I thought that was great. The fact that we broke below here, well, it doesn't mean that it can't break up here. But if it does break up, I really think that VET is going to go back to $30. Sorry, 30 cent, and maybe way beyond that. Sometimes these BART patterns can be very, very powerful. It can happen sharp and fast and hard. In look at this in 3 days, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. We broke out and moved straight back up here in 4 days, right? And it took 35 days to drop down. So I'm just saying, if well, I mean, if you do see some strength, or if you're willing to be buying and holding this, it looks like a good opportunity to me. It seems crazy, right? It seems crazy that this weekly chart you can see down, that it's going to BART back to the upside so soon. I'm not saying it's going to happen soon. I'm saying it does have potential. So it's good to have a strategy. Chart is actually frozen now. I don't know what's going on. I'll just cut this off. It's good to have a strategy. Maybe trade the new weekly candle and look to get long if it flips green.